Ammi and Baba are fighting again. Ammi found out that Baba sent money home to his sisters again. They are shouting and fighting and shouting, and I want them to stop. My older brother, he's just looking in his cereal bowl. He's looking hard, like he's trying to find something inside his Lucky Charms. They fight a lot since we moved to America. They fight a lot. अरे क्या जरूरत है हमें पैसे भेजने की? हाँ, तुम्हारे बीवी बच्चे यहाँ हैं। दिन भर मैं दूसरों के बच्चों की खातिर करती हूँ। क्यों? मैं हेडमास्टर हुआ करती थी और अब मैं बेबी सिटर बन गई हूँ। Why am I working so hard? So you can keep sending money home to your sisters? Look how we live now. Used furniture, used pots. How much do we have to keep giving up? अरे अल्लाह का शुक्र करो कि हमें 3 वक्त का खाना मिलता है। अरे क्या करूं मैं? भूखा मराऊं उनको? I've been sending that money for 12 years. I can't just suddenly stop. We don't live like that anymore. How can we help them? We can't even help ourselves. क्या तुम समझती हो कि यह आसान बात है मेरे लिए? अरे मैं डीन था और अब my advisor makes me move boxes of books. I had to move boxes. Can you imagine? A few weeks ago, Baba came home from the university and he was very upset. He sat with his head in his hands like this. And Ammi kept asking him, "Arey, kya hua? Are we in trouble? Do we have to leave the country?" And Baba just kept shaking his head. And finally he said, "Today, my advisor made me organize books in a closet. I had to move boxes of books. I had to move boxes. I was a dean. And I never thought I would become so low." I don't understand what moving boxes has to do with being low, but I can tell Baba is sad. I look at my brother's cereal bowl. Oh, it looks like Sam's. Sam was our servant in Zambia and he had plastic dishes that he was allowed to eat from after he came to clean our house and grind the meat. Ammi said that it was hard work, so he was allowed to eat the food that we didn't finish, but he had special plastic dishes that he had to eat from, the ones with the faded flowers. Now we eat from dishes like Sam's, not the nice Chinese dishes we had in Zambia. Ammi and Baba come out of the room now. Now they're quiet. Too quiet. Their faces look like they're trying not to be angry, but if Baba was a cartoon, steam would be coming out of his ears, and Ammi is stirring the dal so hard, the spoon is making a loud clink clank sound against the used pots. Baba goes straight for the TV. I wanted to watch Little House.
We have a regular program to bring you this update on the hijacking of Air France 139. In a heroic mission now being called Operation Thunderbolt, Israeli troops have successfully ended the week-long hostage crisis, in which 101 civilians were held in Entebbe, Uganda, by Palestinian radicals known as the Popular Front for the Liberation of Palestine. Earlier today, Israeli paratroopers stormed the terminal where the 101 hostages were kept, killing all 8 captors and numerous Ugandan soldiers.
Arey, all staged to gain sympathy from European countries. They were starting to show sympathy for the Palestinians. Last week, some bad guys took a plane and they wouldn't let the passengers go. The bad guys were like Arabs or Muslims or something or whatever. But today, the good guys got them. The next day, Asha auntie comes to talk to Ammi. They talk in fakey boli. They think I don't understand, but I do. I just pretend I don't. That's how I found out that Baba's older brother was a drunk, because Ammi and Baba always talked about him in fakey boli, and I understood. Mufuchkofo befecht fan farfe. Je feest fan fi befecht fe, afak mi fi befecht fokofo befecht fe hefe. Me fe efe ka fakafon kol. Na fache fa fi vum. Hafa. Chavalofo. Asha auntie drives Ammi to the bank, where she opens up her secret checking account. An account that Baba would know nothing about for a very long time.